For over a year, a killer with a .44 caliber gun turned New York City into a prison of fear. David Berkowitz hunted young couples in parked cars. He sent chilling letters to police signed Son of Sam. Women dyed their hair dark to avoid his preference for brunettes. Couples were too terrified to park anywhere. His letters contained details only the killer could know. He claimed a demon-possessed dog commanded him to kill. The city was paralyzed. The police had no leads. Then came the break that ended everything. A witness saw a man remove a parking ticket from a car near a crime scene. It seemed meaningless. Just another parking violation in New York. But when investigators traced that ticket, it led them straight to an apartment in Yonkers. David Berkowitz answered the door with a smile. He'd been caught because he couldn't pay a parking meter, one of the most notorious killing sprees in New York history. Ended by a $25 parking ticket, the Son of Sam's reign of terror was over.